Hey everyone! So who's like me and at the end of summer, our bodies are starting to show some definite signs of dry, cracking skin. So I get it on my elbows, I get it on my knees. Worst part are my feet. So I like to walk and I like flip-flops. So the heels really show wear and tear. Norwex solution, body balm. Love this stuff. So super rich, super emollient, has, oh gosh, beeswax and oil and lots of different sunflower seed oil, citrus. When I open it, I smell it has spearmint, and I smell the spearmint the most. Got shea butter, super rich, super emollient. So perfect to rub. You give it a little push on the bottom so it pops up at the top. Perfect to rub on elbows. Perfect to rub on knees. I need it most on the bottom of my feet because it really helps keep all those cracks from getting worse. I'm going to use it all winter long because mine get even worse in the winter. So love our body balm. Take care, everyone. Bye.